Procter & Gamble has been working since 1995 to find ways to bring clean drinking water to people around the world. One solution bringing hope to people around the world is the PUR Purifier of water technology. This product transforms most contaminated drinking water sources into clean, drinkable water. It can make Jemima's water drinkable. You can demonstrate to your class how the product works. This video will guide you through setting up and running the demonstration. To perform the demonstration, you will need the following: a PUR clean drinking water kit purchased from a local retailer. This kit contains the following: 2 collapsible mixing containers, a 2.5 gallon mixing container and a 2.5 gallon storage container, a stirring wand, a filter cloth with 2 rubber bands to attach the filter cloth to your storage container, 3 packets of PUR Purifier of water, and a packet opener. You will also need about a 1/4 cup of dirt. You can get that dirt from your backyard or your garden. Make sure the dirt is dried and pulverized so that it goes into solution easily. A small plastic jar or cup, and a source of tap water. Before you begin the demonstration, you will need to prepare 2.5 gallons of dirty water. To do this, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of the dirt with about a cup of water. Make sure you take out all the lumps. Fill one of the 2.5 gallon containers with tap water, and then mix your cup of dirt into the 2.5 gallon and stir thoroughly. If some of the dirt settles to the bottom, don't worry. You may want to select 1 or 2 volunteers from the class or group to help with your demonstration. Your volunteers will help mix and keep track of time. Before you clean up the water, take out a sample so that you can compare the water before the demonstration to the water after the demonstration. Now that you've mixed the dirt into the water, it looks a lot like the water that Jemima had, doesn't it? Set the sample aside for comparison later. Add 1 packet of PUR Purifier of water to the water in the container. And stir for 5 minutes. While the water is being stirred, take the opportunity to review the possible water contaminants that were covered in the overview slideshow, such as dirt, parasites, viruses, bacteria, human and animal feces, heavy metals, and pesticides. What do you think will happen? PUR Purifier of water acts like a mini water treatment plant in a packet. It uses some of the same ingredients used in municipal water treatment systems. The first important ingredient in the product are the coagulating agents that cause rapid formation of a solid in the treated water. Keep stirring for the full 5 minutes. If you have someone helping you, you can let one stir while the other times. Now let the treated water settle for 2 to 3 minutes so that we can remove the solids easily by filtering. Attach the filter cloth over the mouth of the clean container. Create a little well in the cloth so that the water will filter easily, and attach the filter cloth to the container's mouth with the rubber band provided. Pour the treated water through the filter cloth into the clean container, leaving behind most of the dirt and coagulated material with a little bit of water in the mixing container. Clean water will filter through the cloth into the new container. Dispose of the leftover dirt and water in a toilet after you're done with the demonstration. The second important ingredient in the product is chlorine, the disinfectant. This kills the bacteria and viruses that may be present in the water. Even though the water is clear after we have filtered it, we still have to let it set for 20 minutes to disinfect, letting the chlorine kill the germs in the water that would make you sick. While the water disinfects, either review the information we talked about earlier, watch a video to see how Procter & Gamble is working around the world, or use the water haul, local water sources, or water usage in developing countries activities. After 20 minutes have elapsed, pour a sample of the clean water into a cup so that we can compare it to the dirty water that we saved earlier. Pour the remaining water into Dixie cups so that you can allow the audience to have a sample of the clean water.